Everybody wants more money, but very few people understand the difference between making money and making smart money moves. Because money is not just about how much you earn, it's about what you do with what you earn. You can make a lot of money and still stay broke, and you can earn a small income but slowly build real wealth through smart decisions. That's what today's video is all about. Money moves. The small financial choices that quietly shape your future. Think about it. Every single day, people make money moves without realizing it. Some move them closer to success. Others move them deeper into financial stress. Buying things just to impress people? Bad money move. Spending your entire paycheck immediately? Bad money move. Ignoring, saving and investing? Another bad money move. But learning a valuable skill, starting a side hustle, saving consistently, investing patiently, those are powerful money moves. And here's the truth most people never hear. Wealth is usually built quietly, not through luck, not overnight, not by pretending to be rich on social media. Real wealth is built through discipline, consistency, and smart financial habits repeated over time. Look around. Many people buy expensive things to look successful, while secretly struggling financially. Meanwhile, truly wealthy people often focus more on assets than appearances. They ask questions like, how can this money grow? How can I create another income source? How can I invest in my future? That mindset changes everything, because every dollar you spend is a decision. A decision to either build your future or delay it. Now listen carefully. You do not need to become rich tomorrow. You just need to start making better money moves today. Maybe it's saving a small amount every month. Maybe it's learning about investing. Maybe it's avoiding unnecessary debt. Maybe it's starting that business idea you've been afraid to try. Small smart moves become big results later. And remember this. Financial success is not about perfection. Everyone makes mistakes with money. The important thing is learning, improving, and continuing forward. Because one smart decision today can completely change your life years from now. So before you spend money next time, ask yourself, is this helping my future or hurting it? That one question can transform your financial life. If you enjoyed this video and want more real-life lessons about money, wealth, and financial growth, subscribe now and join the journey, because smart money moves create strong futures. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.